Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Two-stroke lawnmower again. Today I'm gonna open up the carby and teach you more about it. Let's get started. You need a flat screwdriver to open that up. Get the clip out. I've already done it. I got 5x16, 3 bolts. Anti-clockwise, take it off. I have already done it. So let's get that off. Let's get the hose off. Turn that off. Get the hose off. The plastic things off as well. And that's the carby. Once you take the cover off, that's how it looks. Carby. We're gonna open that up, but front plate, I'm not opening front plate because I have done one more video. Please go and check that out. Let's take the hose from decompressor. I'll show you a different video how to clean that up. And let's get another hose that comes from flywheel. What it does is when flywheel turns, it pushes the air in and creates the vacuum, and so that way it will create some limit of the speed. So if that's blocked, you might have a rev as well. So turn it slowly. Pull it. Something flat, nice and slow, gentle. Got a long spring here. Long spring. It's not clean. It's dirty. This is the plate, metal plate is called retaining plate. When you put it back, just hold it, push down, and comes out. Sometimes maybe hard. Comes out. That's the diaphragm. You gotta check if it's got a crack. It's okay, but we better change that as well. It's got a crack or it's got a bigger hole. It should sit properly like that. Let me get that out. So you have a little spring. It's okay. It's still dirty, but it's okay. And you have a lifter. Lifter is here. That's called lifter. It will always sit in between the groove. You have 3 grooves. So as you can see here, the wire connecting here, and its throttle is in off position. So you bring down to halfway and you can take that off. This is the Poppet valve. Just take it slowly and check what position is on. It's on this position. That's the position it was on. But there is a various way to set up this Poppet valve. As you can see, there's a different height. So this is responsive for rev as well. Push that in and should come out. If it's hard, I just use something to push in and it should come out. I'm not gonna take it off today. I'll just show you how to clean it. Okay, I have 2 wires here, as you see. One like that, other one goes in other way. So when you move the throttle, like this is on and this is off, and that pushes the wire, and both wires touch together, so the engine stops. So let's put that back, everything in. So I will put on the same position. Just hold it like that. Put that in and hold it. As I hold it, just lift a small spring. That's the diaphragm. You gotta hold the poppet valve. Nice. Nicely sitting. Retaining clip, flat side down. Push the poppet valve and go in. And you can put that now or later on, up to you. And go this side. Has to be horizontal. That's the way it's clipping. And let's put that back in. Put it back in, everything in.